Week 3 of Energy Efficiency Makeover 2014 was very productive in spite of the return of the hot summertime temperatures. GA Services was able to overcome equipment challenges and finish installing and grouting the geothermal loops. Proper installation assures an excellent heat exchange from the loops to earth. Rude Heating and Cooling hit the ground running this week. Each man has a specific job duty while on a major retrofit project like ours. Some began digging the header ditch that routes the geoloops into the dwelling, while others disassembled the old and leaky ductwork, while others built the new ductwork and installed the new ultra-efficient water furnace geothermal heat pump. Once the old ductwork was removed, we were able to pinpoint the exact cause for the high levels of duct leakage to outside. All of the boots that attach the floor registers to the trunk line were factory installed with a tape that over time lost its adhesiveness. We also discovered holes and unsealed continuous seams throughout that ductwork. These conditions caused Miss Jeffries' home to be uncomfortable and contributed to her high electric bill. We also discovered the existing duct system was too small for the air handler or the device that forces the conditioned air through the ductwork. This scenario created a very noisy environment anytime the unit was running. Plus, much of the old fiberglass insulation was not making contact with the ducts, causing unwanted condensation under the home. The solution was a properly sized, rigid duct system. The new Water Furnace Envision heat pump is one of the most efficient units available on the market today. Geothermal has been around for decades and simply uses the earth as a heat sink in the summer and a heat source during the winter. Miss Jeffries will soon be enjoying year-round optimum comfort. During our initial energy audit, we discovered the water heater tank was leaking and on its last leg. We remedied that with a new energy-efficient Marathon water heater. The Marathon is guaranteed never to leak or rust as long as you own your home and is insulated with foam that dramatically reduces standby heat losses. On the next hot summer day, walk outside your house and put your hand over your outdoor air conditioning equipment. You'll no doubt feel hot air. Geothermal uses no outdoor equipment, and the heat removed from the home is simply returned to the geothermal loops in the ground. But before it leaves the heat pump, a domestic hot water feature uses this heat to make free hot water, which will be stored in the new Marathon water heater. We also installed the new Energy Star appliances thanks to our makeover partner, General Electric. Energy Star appliances use up to 30% less energy than their older counterparts. Also, the new washing machine and dishwasher use up to 50% less hot water. Less hot water means energy savings and a lower monthly water bill. In an energy-efficient home, it's important to assure the dryer, bathrooms, and the kitchen are ventilating properly to the outside rather than to the attic. So we installed a new bathroom exhaust fan and made the proper connection for the dryer. Also, we'll be installing a high airflow vent-a-hood that will evacuate heat and humidity from the kitchen. Remember, as we tighten a home, we must manage humidity created within the home through proper ventilation. We're excited to share a new duct insulating process this year. Sealant Tech and Summit Builders installed a foam insulation and sealant on the new ductwork. This method eliminates condensation on the outside of the ducts while it seals in all of the conditioned air. A wonderful bonus of this product is structural strength that will eliminate any chance for crushing or disconnection. They also sprayed the underside of the floor with foam. The adhesion feature of this product eliminates any chance for detachment. It insulates the floor and stops unwanted ground moisture from entering into the dwelling. Our crescendo this week was what we did to the outer walls. Our makeover team removed the outer panels and exposed the root cause of all the air infiltration. It also exposed evidence of recurring water issues caused by condensation from the old aluminum windows and improperly installed fiberglass insulation. So we removed all the old insulation, and Summit Builders installed Sealant Tech foam into the stud cavities. The new foam retrofit will serve as a moisture barrier, thermal barrier, and air barrier. This solution to a major problem will dramatically increase comfort while lowering the amount of energy required to heat and cool the home. We're in the home stretch and hope to finish up in a couple weeks. Thanks for following along and stay tuned for more updates.